Hey there, welcome back friends. Let's continue from where we have left, and today we will deal with a very simple servlet. Now friends, a servlet is a Java file, and if we check our project, there are like multiple folders. One of the folders is Java resources. We need to add in the servlet inside the Java resources folder. If we traverse this tree, we have this src folder. Let me right click and create a new package. First of all, the name of the package would be org.steadyeasy.servlet. Alright, let me click on finish, and inside this package we would be adding a new servlet. So let me right click and add in a new servlet. Alright, now the name of the servlet could be, for example, hello world. We will click on next. Everything seems to be okay. Let me click on next once again, and in here there are like couple of options. Out of these options, we will keep everything as it is, except we will uncheck the checkbox for do post. As of now, we will only deal with do get method for this project. Let me click on finish. Now definitely Eclipse has added the hello world.java file, and not only the file, it has also coded for us, which is amazing. Now there are some issues. We need to fix the issue. Moreover, let me increase the font size of the editor, and definitely it will give you a better user experience. Let me pause this video and do the required changes. Now let me minimize this and let us configure the build path real quick. I will highlight this project, right click, navigate to build path, and we will add a jar file. So in here, click on this libraries tab, click on this button, add external jar, and navigate to C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, and Tomcat 9.0. And inside this Tomcat installation, we will get this lib folder, and one of the jar file would be servlet API jar. Open this, apply the changes, and the issue will vanish. So here is the overall output, which is amazing. Now let us format this file first of all. And now let us check this doGet method. Now this doGet method will serve the request, and this would be specifically serving the request of get type. Now understand that whenever we will hit a URL in our application, this particular method will be called whenever there would be a get request. Alright, so in here, for example, if we get rid of all of the code by commenting out these and simply try to print out a very simple message by making use of system.out.println, then what would be the outcome? So in here I will type in sysout and hit Ctrl plus space for autocomplete, and we will type in hello world. Now friends, take a note that in here we are simply making use of system.out.println, and this statement is used to print information on the console. Now let me highlight this hello world.java file and run this on the server, and definitely the web page is blank, but in here on the console we are able to see the text hello world. Now if I copy this URL and open Google Chrome and hit enter, then definitely the web page would be blank, but on the console now we are able to see hello world multiple times. Alright, so now let us navigate to hello world.java file, and let me show you how we can print information on the web page. And the way is very simple. We will take help of this response object. So in here we will type in response.getWriter.println, and we will print the information. Now on the web page, definitely we can also make use of tags, HTML tags. So we will make use of h1 tag, heading 1 tag. So I will close the h1 tag, and in between we will print hello world. Alright, let me save the changes. Let me close this web page. So now finally let us execute this servlet. So we will make use of this small little run icon. We will run the application on the server without restarting, and here is the output. Amazing. And this is nothing but our first servlet program. Congratulations, and this is amazing. Alright, so in our next video we will discuss about JSP, so that would be again interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.